What is tech ops for people who have no idea what
Tech
it is?
ops is our technical operations
Okay.
unit,
Okay.
and basically you have a combination of both agents and then non-sworn working in there,
Okay.
and they're responsible. I mean, it's actually a very diverse responsibility, from installing covert cameras to pull cams to uh, downloading audio and visual recordings, supplying undercover vehicles that are set up for that, wiring vehicles. Um, Link had developed just a very incredibly well outfitted shop for the years that he had spent
Just
in there.
super important group for supporting the agents in the field. I mean,
Correct,
you just can't
because
do, yeah.
the agents need this uh, ability to, in theory, produce a quality case. I mean, what prosecutor doesn't want to see video and audio of a crook telling you what they're going to deliver you
Right.
and actually doing it?
Right.
And then you have cases where, people, because of the location, you cannot do actual hands-on surveillance, so you have to rely on electronic surveillance, and that might be a covert camera, or it might be a light camera. It could be a vehicle with an undercover vehicle that's actually outfitted with recording equipment that you drop and remotely um, actuate recording equipment, or let it run for a period of time.
Yeah.
um, and maybe building something custom for that. And um, and that's not, we had thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of equipment in there, different types of visual and audio recording equipment for just about any situation, James Bond stuff,
Yeah. I mean, like I said, without a good tech agent, without a good tech group, I mean, it makes all the difference in the world. Because not only for the attorneys, but for their jury, if it ever goes to a,
Correct.
so
They all want to see it.